Alright, so good morning once again, and you are welcome back to Internet Arena. And it's been a while since I uploaded a new video, and I'm actually back with a new video today. And what we are going to talk about today is Share Now website. Okay, so it's actually working like the Starlight that came some time ago, and yeah, all these are Ponzi scams. So once they are just launched into the system, they works perfectly, and let's say a month or two later they will just you don't have to trust them anymore because they can just run away with your money. So once they are just landed, it actually legit, and you can go ahead and invest. Okay, so what we actually do on this platform is you just rent a car and then you'll be making profit out of it. Okay, so all you need to do is I'll leave the link in the description box, so you just click on it and it will bring you here to the sign up interface. That's really easy to know everything here. So you just enter your phone number, you enter this captcha right here 3374 into this, and then you choose a strong password and you click on the sign up. But I already have an account, so I'll just go ahead and log in right here. So after logging in, you are going to be given, if you use my referral link, you're going to get 15 cedis bonus in your account, so you can just top up 85 cedis, making it 100 cedis, and then you go ahead and just buy the offer. So I'll just log in straight into my account right here, and then you will see what is there. Okay, so once you use my referral link in the description box, you can just see I have 15 cedis right here, and you're also going to get the same 15 cedis in your account. Okay, so in order to get this, you need to just come here to the rentals. Okay, so you move to the rentals, and you can see, as you can see here, we have a lot of packages for you to choose from, and we have daily is you have 100 cedis, which when you buy this 100 cedis offer, you're going to get daily commission of 25%, which is 25 cedis daily. Okay, and you are going to get that until 90 days. All right, until 90 days, of which the total is going to be 2,250 cedis. Okay, and we have 300 here, which the daily income is 78 cedis, and it's actually going to run for 90 days. Okay, so that's, you can just go through it, and then you choose the one that suits you. Okay, so after choosing it, you just, okay, so another way to make money on this platform too is just sharing to your friends. Okay, so you come to me under here, and then you click on the referral link. So whoever joins, okay, so you can just copy this one right here. That's the affiliate link, that's your referral link. Okay, so when you copy it and you send to your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you're going to send to, and then the person joins with your referral link, and then he makes the payment and starts earning, you're also going to be benefited. Okay, you're going to get 30 cedis from referring a friend. Okay, so you can also come to the e-wallets down here, and that's where you're going to put your mobile money number. So you just choose this card right here, and then the bank name. So bank name, you just go ahead and then you scroll through till you find your bank or your network carrier, and then you just input your details. Okay, so after that, that's the way you are going to be able to withdraw your money. So you have to set this card so that you'll be able to withdraw your income. Okay, so to be able to buy shares on this platform, all you need to do is just come to the rentals down here, and then you choose the one that you want to invest in. Okay, so me, I am going for 100 cedis, so you just click on this 100, and then you can read. Yeah, you see, and the best thing in this platform is you can actually withdraw your income once it's actually more than 50 cedis. So you don't have to wait for the 90 days you run before you can withdraw your income. Once you get more than 50 cedis, you can just go ahead and withdraw. Okay, so I'm going to do the deposit right now. So you just go and click on the buy, and these two options here, we have balance and then online pay. Okay, so online pay is your you are going to click on it and then you use your mobile money to top up. Okay, and then the balance right here is the amount you have in your account. You see, this is 15 cedis and it's not up to 100 cedis, so I can't use it. I have to go to the online pay and then I'll make payment to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the buy. But if you have more than 100 cedis in your balance, you can just go ahead and buy with it. So I'm going to buy right now. I just want to make everything short. So yeah, how it works is they are going to give you a number, either Telecel or MTN. So you just make the payment, you copy the transaction ID and then you come and paste it and you continue. Okay, so let's just continue. You can read through all this, but I don't want the video to be long, so let's just continue. Okay, so you choose your operator, the number you're going to make the payment on. You put the number here, whether it's Telecel, whether it's Airtel to Go, whether it's MTN. Okay, so I'll go ahead, my number is MTN, and then you just enter your number. But you see there's 0 here already, so you don't need to bring 0 again. Just go ahead and enter the number. Okay, so you confirm, and okay, you're supposed to make payments. You're supposed to make the payment to this number right here. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so you copy the number and then you go and make the payment to it. Okay, so I'm going to make the 100 cedis payments. So once the payment is made, sorry, I made a mistake. You have to go to other numbers, other network, and then you make the payment. So once the payment is made, you just copy the transaction ID in the transaction and then you go back to the website and paste it over there, and then you continue so that you are going to be approved. Okay, so I'll go to number 1 and then to other network, that's the 5. Telecel, I go ahead and just paste the number right here. I do it one more time, and then the amount is just 100, so just enter the 100 cedis reference. Let's just say share now. Okay, so Joyce Oparibia. Okay, so for 100 cedis. All right, so I'll just go ahead and enter my PIN code right here. Okay, and I sent 100 cedis to Oparibia Joyce. Okay, so I'll just be I'm just waiting for the message and I can just, okay, so you can see payments made for. All right, so this is the transaction ID down here. You can see this transaction ID. Okay, that's the financial transaction ID. So that's 43. I'll just type it here so that I can copy. 43466 375244. All right, and then I'll go ahead and copy it. Copy. So you come back to the website here, and then you paste the transaction ID in here. Okay, so it is very important. That's what they are going to use to verify your transaction. Okay, so after that you just get results right here. All right, submit. So your payment has arrived. It may take time for it to arrive in your this one. Okay, so you just go to exit and then you go to your share now. Okay, so you just have to wait for some time, and once it is done, you are going to see it here in the orders that you purchased. Okay, so it's here. It has been purchased already. So you see, this is what I just purchased right now. So it's 100 cedis and it's going to run for 90 days. Okay, and this is the time it started. That's 10:52. Okay, so every day I'm just going to get 25 cedis income, that's daily, and it's going to run for 90 days. Okay, we are just praying this site is going to last for 90 days, because mostly the site doesn't last up to those times they are going to give you. Okay, so yeah, that's how everything works. So I'll update you tomorrow when I make a withdrawal. Okay, thank you for watching.